In addition to beautiful foliage, autumn brings a never-ending supply of fallen leaves. Electric leaf blowers make quick work of clearing leaves from your lawn without emitting fumes and excessive noise like gas-powered leaf blowers. There are numerous options for cheap leaf blowers, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable leaf blowers from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ego Power Plus LB6504 Cordless Leaf Blower. More and more, we're seeing battery-powered equipment that rivals or exceeds the performance of their gas-powered counterparts. This cordless leaf blower is a case in point. We measured airspeed at 134 miles per hour and found, combined with the volume of air, that it easily blasted leaves from our test area when we were standing still. Stepping forward while sweeping back and forth cleared the area in seconds. Our sawdust test revealed a focused airstream with sharp edges extending beyond the end of our test area. While the runtime may seem short, bear in mind that's on the turbo setting. In use, we've learned that it's rare to continuously hold down the turbo button or even the trigger. A more realistic runtime is at least 27 minutes, and we could have probably extended the runtime further because the LB6504 features a dial that allowed us to set and hold the airspeed at the lowest setting, useful for whatever task we were doing, and use the trigger or turbo button to boost speed when needed. This vastly extends runtime and reflects more realistic yard work. Number 2. Worx WG584 40-volt power share turbine cordless leaf blower. Another fine cordless option is the Worx WG584 40-volt power share turbine cordless leaf blower. This blower lacks the power of the Ego and the quiet nature of the Ryobi, but it makes up for it with a nearly 30-minute runtime, roughly the same as the Ego. The Worx uses 2 smaller batteries instead of one giant one, like the Ego and Ryobi, so it's considerably lighter than the others, making it the most maneuverable of the cordless models we tested and the one we would recommend to those who are concerned they might not have the strength to swing the other cordless ones around. Because it uses 2 20-volt batteries, the batteries are compatible with Worx's smaller D tools, like their drills and saw, but for lawn tools, the Worx line isn't as robust as either the Ego or Ryobi. Number 3. CAT DG651.960V Cordless Leaf Blower. At first glance, CAT's CAT 60V 700 CFM leaf blower appears to be a stout machine with a wide blower tube and tip. This is usually the case with blowers that move a significant volume of air, and the claimed 800 cubic feet per minute is just that. We clocked airspeed at 115 miles per hour, and with that much air moving that fast, the CAT cleared a wider swath than most in our sawdust erosion test. Like many models in our testing, the controls include a standard trigger cruise control dial and turbo boost button. The 60V800 CFM blower is a bit heavier than some models, in part due to CAT's larger battery format, which is generally the case with higher speed blowers. While the CAT easily cleared debris around the hard surfaces of our testing area, it should also do well on stubborn leaves and or on grass. We'll update this fall with leaf blowing impressions as soon as we have leaves to blow. Number 4. Greenworks BPB80L2510 Cordless Leaf Blower. This Greenworks is the lightest and most compact of the backpack blowers we tested. Its runtime was a modest 19 minutes. At that setting, the blower's airstream forms an effective leaf-moving zone even if it appeared to be weaker on the outside edges. The machine also scored high marks for its comfortable and highly adjustable shoulder straps, an ergonomic handle, and the 90-degree elbow that connects the impeller housing to the flexible blower tube. That elbow permits the blower tube to pivot straight up, so it takes up less space when you store the BPB80L2510 in the garage or shed. Number 5. Denali 20V400 CFM Leaf Blower Kit. The Denali 20V400 CFM Leaf Blower isn't the most powerful model we tested, but it is easily one of the most affordable, and if you already have other Denali cordless tools, this blower shares the same battery, so having another one or more will extend your runtime. The 20V leaf blower was simple to use during testing, with just one dial to control airspeed. Just set it where you want, and boost with a push of the thumb if you need more power. Our sawdust erosion test revealed a fairly focused stream of air, but that can be made wider with an included fan-shaped blower tube tip. We found the runtime set to maximum speed to be fair and within the range of many other models tested. The Denali 20V easily blew off walkways, patios, and driveways, and it will certainly blow leaves. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.